Hey pop stars, what's up? CakePopClara here, and today I'm going to be doing something I've never done before. Cosplay! I'm sure you're so excited for me to finally delve into the world of cosplay after being a small child weeb for all of these years. You may or may not know how much a serious Naruto touched my life. I'm actually going to take you through my process of how I wear a onesie and go get some pre-coffee. You're gonna see me do a makeup with a shaky hand because I drink so much espresso. There is actually a couple of steps if you want to attempt to do your own cosplay for the first time, and it took me so long to kind of flesh this out and realize this, make it a little bit easier for me to try to jump in without having to spend like $80 on a cosplay costume, which is what I used to think you have to do, or be able to get mad sewing skills and crafting skills all overnight. Instead of that, let's just see what we have in our closet. For those of you who have never heard of Closet Cosplays, it's basically thinking of a character and making an outfit that resembles that character without having it to be like 100% real to life. You can just use the colors, the styles, or things that represent the character to you. To experience cosplay as a hobby, to see if we even want to jump into doing, you know, full-on realistic 100% cosplays. I take you through 5 steps that you can take to do your own closet cosplays at home too, and we can totally have a ton of fun together and never be bored again. And before I jump into these 5 things, make sure to subscribe to my channel because we are all about being confident to wear the fashion that you love, but it's also about experimenting with your style and doing anything that you think will make you happy and not caring what anybody else thinks. Just what. And ring the bell, don't forget about the freaking bell. So before you can do your cosplay, you are going to need a concept. And how I actually got my concept was talking to a group of friends, because they all kind of cosplay themselves and I see them have really unique ideas, so I asked them for help. I was like, hey guys, who do you think I should cosplay? And the first question they asked me, well, what's your favorite anime? Well, Naruto. Well, I have a lot of favorite animes, but Naruto is always special to my heart because I watch so freaking much of it. There is a lot of Naruto. That makes me feel like a boss. It's one that people have heard of. It makes it easier too. And these people are like, what's your favorite anime? And you're like, Higurashi no Naka no Kori ni? And like, you're like, what the fuck? And I'm like, yeah, no worries. It's about murder and blood. A lot of people might have heard of Naruto, so I do like to say that. Yeah, so I told them my favorite was Naruto, and they were like, oh, you should do Ino, you should do Sakura. And at first I was like, well, they're cliche and lame. Then I was like, wait a second. They said Ino and then I said Sakura. And I was thinking, I actually have a pink Dreamholic wig that matches Sakura's hair perfectly, but it's curled at the end. So that got me thinking, well, what kind of concept that I could do with Sakura with curly hair? And that led me to formal Sakura, which is what I'm going to be doing today. For Closet Cosplay, you can kind of take what you already have and kind of piece together a situation in your head where that character would be wearing that type of outfit. Today I'm going to do a formal Sakura because I was thinking, well, I have the pink wig and I think I have like a red and black formal dress. That brings us to step 2, the outfit. You definitely are going to want to think of what you have and what you can piece together that will make it look like the character. Now, the only thing I did buy for this cosplay was a Naruto headband because I want to be able to do more Naruto cosplays in the future, so I thought it would be a worthy purchase. This cosplay will come out to a total of $6 instead of like $100. This is part of the outfit. I didn't even open it until today. We are fighting dreamers. It comes in a really small box. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my god, I'm officially a Leaf Village ninja. I'm gonna make my own OCs now and cosplay those too, which is another fun way to do cosplays from your house, because you could just make an OC with clothes similar to yours. No worries, nobody will ever notice. Oh, and it just ties in the back. I see. This isn't the kind that is stretchy or anything, it just ties. Footy pajama ninja. Fighting dreamers right here, right now. Now that we've got the montage over with, we have got our Naruto headband. I actually bought the dress I'm going to try to use to sell. We are going to see if it's appropriate wear because I got it from the Goodwill bins. But we're going to use it for the cosplay. So let me go grab that and I'll be right back. So this is a dress that I thought would look really good as a Sakura dress formal because it's obviously red and black. As you can see, I got it from the thrift store, but instead of being $7, it was actually like 20 cents. If you go to the Goodwill retail outlet, you can just take all the stuff that doesn't sell and you buy by the pound. If you want to do like a ton of cosplays, I would recommend going there and looking through and seeing if you can find Closet Cosplay with because it's going to be the cheapest place for you to find nice stuff. Just because something doesn't get bought doesn't mean that it's nasty and dirty. So we kind of have this as an outfit. We have the dress, the headband, I might add in some tights, and then I just have some black high-heeled shoes that I'm going to wear, and that's going to be my outfit. I want to move on to makeup. I'm going to show you how I do mine right now and the intricacies that's changed for cosplay makeup versus regular makeup. My gosh, it is a makeupless cake pop in the wild. We are going to change that. I am starting by applying my foundation. As always, I'm using CoverGirl Clean Matte. I used it back when I was 16 years old. For some reason, I use it now because it was at Walgreens. I have another recommendation for oily-ish skin. Possibly the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. That foundation, I actually, that's my summer color. I finally was able to use it because I have tanned a little bit more. You can also see in this clip, I tweezed my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows with Morph eyeshadow and clear gloss. All of that turned out to be pretty much the same as my regular makeup routine. Where I differ is actually contouring and highlighting. You want to go a little extra, as this is a costume, so you can portray a cartoon character or something beyond reality. For the eyeshadow, I ended up using my Etude House Play Color Eyes palette, which I actually did a video on, so I will leave an info card for you. As for eyeliner, I am using my Essence liquid liner. And on my lips, I am using my Tarte lipstick. It was really old. I found it in my pocket. I'm so happy I found it. Now, my final difference between cosplay makeup and regular makeup, I would say, is false lashes. I have the wispies because I just find it a little more easy to use those in my regular everyday looks too, so I use them for both. You can find cheaper false lashes online. I found some for Amazon. It was like 15 bucks for 40 one time. I swear to God, I'm not kidding. For false lashes, you just want to make sure you curl first, let the glue dry, and then apply mascara afterwards. And remember, if at first you do not succeed, try again, because it's never as easy as you want it to be. It might mess up your makeup a little bit, don't worry. Just fix it up a little bit. You look beautiful, you're doing great. I love ya. If your character has any cool markings or such, I could suggest using some liquid lipstick if you don't have any face paint. I messed it up a little, but you can always touch it up at the end. Now we're actually going to be putting my cosplay on, because step 4 is going to be the wig. This is going to be funny because I'm pretty bad at wearing wigs because I have a lot of freaking hair. Get changed first, put the wig on. Smart. Woo! I'm going to do the 2 braids like I attempted to do in my Dreamholic wig unboxing when I first got this wig. In the comments below, tell me who your first cosplay was, or if you've never cosplayed before, tell me who you would love to cosplay. One of my strands is too short. Does anyone else ever have that problem? This does kind of look like a ninja hairstyle though, just saying. The track came a hobo hiking, and he said, boys, I'm not turning. Go and see Big Rock in the mountain. Sasuke. Man, I gotta come up with the Big Rock Candy Mountain version for Naruto. My magnum opus. Now I'm just clipping it to the front. It's like that song, if you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. That's what it looks like. I think I didn't clip this one good enough. So, have another bobby pin here. What I found right away is this kind, so let's see if this works. I think you're meant to flip your hair around into it. It might suffice. Where did my other wig cap go? I just bought a bunch. Oh, here it is. It was on the floor, of course. Maybe I'll wear 2. Give me extra protection. Because my hair is like always falling out of these things. Hi! Watashi wa namae wa Sakura desu. How do you guys take care of your wigs? Put it in the comments below. I need help. So now that we have our little wiggy on, let's try to put this headband on. I feel like it's not gonna work like I want it to because of the way it is. I could always wear it as a belt too. That would be really cute. I freaking love it. Now that you have got your outfit on, what I want you to do is take a photo shoot and feel your best fantasy. Do a nice reading here. You're alive, Master Kakashi! I need to show like my freaking Naruto headband for this. Here are some tips for your next photo shoot to make it your best one yet. You want to try to find a space where you can show your full body. So if you want to do it inside, you are going to need more space. If you don't have photo editing software, don't know how to edit, you are going to want a nice-ish background. If you take it in your room, I would suggest doing decorations. You could have your closet visible. People love seeing like bright colored clothes and decorations. Otherwise, if you have a porch or a balcony, that can really work well too. People love seeing photos outside. The Snow camera app is getting really good at automatically cutting out pictures too. Their features in there are actually really accurate. I really hope you liked my first Closet Cosplay video. I'm really excited to upload this and put pictures on Instagram and do more cosplays in the future. Let me know how you liked it and make sure to give this video a like if you made it all the way to the end. I'll see you very soon and I love you so much. Bye, pop stars.